You guys, I have been wanting something new, something fresh, something not specifically low maintenance, but just something that I don't have to worry about, and I have found it, okay? Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Fury. And in today's video, I'm giving you guys some hair realness. Listen. I've been keeping this hair a secret for 2 weeks, and now I can finally talk about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Mayvenn hair for you guys. And I'm also going to be reviewing a new hair tool that I have fallen in love with. Before I get into that though, if this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup, beauty, and all that junk. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's get into the video. In my head, I have 2 bundles of Mayvenn Kinky straight hair in the Brazilian type. I believe they have Brazilian and Peruvian. It is 14 and 16 inch. As you can see, I know I probably shouldn't have worn a black shirt, but this is what the texture looks like. Now, I've been maintaining this hair by using my, how do I pronounce this, HASTAR? My HASTAR hairbrush, electric brush. It's basically a flat iron and a brush meshed together, like a, they just woohooed and just came together as one. I was sent this to review and I am absolutely in love, okay? It came in this really cute box. HASTAR. And I absolutely love the color. I love the purple. It also came with a hand glove for those that are clumsy like me, that tend to burn themselves. However, I really like this tool just because it's it's crafted very good. It's very good quality, and it's very hard to burn yourself on this, to be honest. I'm going to go ahead and get into the demo of me doing my hair with this tool, and then when I come back, I'm going to talk to y'all about the hair in my head. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys the hair in its raw state. This is it before any heat is added to it, any blow dry. This is it freshly dried. I'm going to grab the HASTAR electric straightening brush, and I'm going to show you guys how it makes this hair look. This is revolutionary. It comes with a heat protective glove. I'm plugging it in. I'm going to show you guys the temperature dial. It does go up to 400 degrees, which is pretty hot for a straightening brush. Not a lot of straightening brushes go up to this heat level. So I think this is pretty good. It does have infrared technology to help with like frizz and stuff like that. And it heats up super fast. I'm going to use the coconut milk organics serum and the Chi silk serum just to, as a heat protection. My real hair is in between the extensions. And plus I just want to protect the extensions, protect my investment, you know what I'm saying? When you have hair like this, you have to take care of it. Like, you can't just be burning this hair all to pieces. Take care of it as if it's your real hair, sis. I'm going to go in with the brush at 400 degrees, and I'm just going to easily just brush it like how I do a regular brush. I go down like once or twice, and look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine if this was my real hair and if I was a natural, that had hair that long? You know how easy that would be to get your hair straight? Look at that. Ugh, I am obsessed. I think as a natural, especially when your hair is that long, a lot of us fear heat damage because, we don't want to damage our curls. We don't want to mess our hair up. So I feel like a straightening brush like this would definitely be the next hot thing to buy and, just keep in your staple as a hot tool item. The brush itself isn't even that hot. You can tell when it warms up, but when you can literally touch the bristles of the brush and it's not hot. Like, look at this. I am so geeked. Look how thick this section is, right? Okay, you see the wave? Yep, you see the wave. And watch me just, ooh, child, look at that. Banging. Ugh. I'm going to leave the rest of the demo for you guys to watch because I know y'all don't want to hear me talk the whole time. And I will come back at the end of the demo. Here's another close-up of the brush. Obviously, I have used it, so there's hair in it. Here's the back. Here is the temperature dial. Now, the only thing I can say about this that would be one con, that isn't really a big deal for me, but it may be for some. The voltage is unlike any other hair tool. I've used hair tools, like specifically hair dryers that were 2000 watt, and they had to have like higher voltage. So the way, I know it doesn't look too different, but the way that the prongs are shaped, it's a little bit thicker. So it will go in your bathroom where it has like a little safety situation. I'll put it on the screen. But it also did fit inside my extension cord. So if you have an extension cord, it'll be no problem for you. I just don't know if it will go in your wall. So if you try to plug this in and it doesn't fit, that's why. All in all though, I give this like a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this. It's definitely a lazy hair girl's best friend when you don't feel like doing your hair. When you want that somewhat sleek look but not too sleek, you need this. I will put the link for it down below in the description box for you guys. You guys know the vibes. Now let's Kinky Straight Brazilian hair from Mayvenn. I got the inches 12, 14, and 16. Together I paid $263.06. That's with included shipping. Came in a regular USPS package situation, but when you open it, it came in these beautiful silk bags, which I really, really like. One thing that I did not know about Mayvenn, you guys, that really shook me to the core, they're black owned. Am I the only one that didn't know they were black owned? They are black owned, and they were, I believe they started in Oakland, which you guys know I'm in Cali, so I was like, what? We find out, do a little research, and I find out some information. It also comes with this booklet on how to take care of your hair, which I think is super good for those who don't know about extensions. You do have to take care of them like they are your real hair. Like, you can't just fry your extensions and expect them to last. It just doesn't happen. They have the different textures that they carry, as well as how to wash, co-wash, and they also have product suggestions on what you should use on your bundles, which is so good. Really, really bang with that. And of course, they have their social media info on the back of the packaging. It also comes with your shipping information, of course, that you need, basically like your receipt. And it also comes with $20 off of your next purchase, which I think is really, really nice. All in all, ordering from this brand was super easy, literally super beginner friendly. Go in, they have descriptions about every single type of texture that they carry. Really beginner friendly for someone who's been buying weave for a very long time. But anyway, let's get into how I feel about this hair and how it's been acting. So the way I have this hair installed, y'all are gonna be like, what? So I have this hair installed as a braidless sew-in. So it looks kind of crazy because I have had it in for a little while now, but I'm sure you see if I can find a link for you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, like the little links. I had the links clamped in and then I sewed the tracks in. Yeah, and I can put this hair in a really cute bun. I can put it up, down. I can put it in a lot of cute styles. I can wear it all combed back. I love this hair, you guys. Honestly, I can't see myself going back to any other type of hair. I already told my husband, I was like, look, I'm a kinky straight girl for life. This is my hair, okay? This is mine. I grew this out of my scalp. Not my pockets, but my scalp, okay? When it comes to a lot of kinky straight hair, I think my main issue was that it was either too soft or it was stiff. And I don't have either of those issues with this hair. It's like the perfect texture. It feels like you're touching someone's natural hair that's been blown out, and it has body. It has body. It moves. And the thing is, I haven't even flat ironed this bone straight. I just washed my hair yesterday for like the first time since putting this hair in, and it literally doesn't tangle. It's been acting the same as if when I first got it, and it's just it's so pretty. Honestly, I'm so obsessed. Like I am obsessed. It's crazy how well this texture matches my hair. Like I know this isn't like much of a review, but I'm trying to think about what questions would I have for someone that has this hair in. It doesn't shed that much. All hair sheds. I don't care what anyone says. They do recommend in the booklet to seal your wefts, which I never do. That's just never been a thing for me. But if you want to seal your wefts, I'm pretty sure it won't shed if you seal your wefts. Plus, I had to cut the track, so it is what it is. But it barely sheds. Even after cutting it and installing it how I did, it doesn't shed. It feels so good. Like I'm geek. Like, and the thing is, they even have a relaxed texture. I think it's like relaxed yaki or something like that, but it's like a relaxed texture for those who want that silk press look. Oh my gosh. If you are type 4 hair, this hair will match your hair perfectly. Like, I can say that wholeheartedly, it will match your hair. Don't worry about that. I absolutely believe that it was worth like every penny too. Like, I don't really spend too much on hair, just because I don't know. I be trying to get my hair off Amazon. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm a frugal queen. But when I want something that will last and I want to invest in some hair, I really do my research. Mayvenn is bomb. Like, I remember using Mayvenn on other people when I was working in the shop. A couple people had Mayvenn hair and it was really pretty, but I just never really bought from them. But I'm obsessed. They really have a customer for life now. Like Mayvenn. What kind of vendor? What kind of vendor do you have? Like, what is going on? What is going on? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? And I know y'all saw the little tutorial or whatever. Huh. If you are hesitating on buying some of this hair from Mayvenn or just getting kinky straight in general, I highly recommend Mayvenn. Like, so serious. Like, you won't be steered wrong. Like, it's so pretty and it is just so pretty. I'm so obsessed. That's all I really have to say about this hair, you guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to DM me, leave a comment down below, all that junk. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.